Shalbhasana is a prone posture after laying on abdomen and to work on the lower back, to work on the lower limb. There are few terminologies which we deploy during Shalbhasana. So first of all, we practice how to warm up the body, how to prepare the body for Shalbhasana. Near about 5 times, so the muscles are relaxed, they are very well toned up. Then I go all the way down into Shalbhasana or Locust pose. As I reach to the ground, I release my hands on the back side and maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds there. Now Shalbhasana can be practiced in 2 ways. The first, beginner's way, is to lift up the trunk as much as possible. Now we can see they will be toning on these muscles, lumbodorsal and latissimus dorsi. First, to stretch out your upper back. When your spine will be working, when your spine will be engaged, now the first practice to work on the kneecaps, to release the tension from there. As your body comes under control, now the first practice to interlock your fingers. So the elbows are active, the elbows are supporting. Now I lift up one of the leg, then I try to lift the other leg at the same level. Now in this first Shalbhasana, I try to fix one of the foot underneath this leg. So for that, I adjust my elbows, then with a deep breath, I lift up my leg and I fix my foot under the thigh, and I hold and I press this abdominal part downward. So I'm toning the hip area, I'm toning the lower back, and I'm trying to make control over the elbows. If you want to make it little more advanced, bend the knee, and this is the perfect position for fixing the kneecaps, for fixing any problem of the knee. Maybe a few seconds there. As you need to come down, slowly drop your legs down. Again, check your position and please stay there for a few seconds. And the same practice, same working on the other side. And the second Shalbhasana, little more advanced and to work on your core. In this second Shalbhasana, first I will extend my hands on front. I will keep align my body. In this second Shalbhasana, I work on the legs, and you will see all the spine, the hip region, legs, they will be in the same line, and I lift up legs as much as possible. So the main working is the core, the main working is lower spine, the main working is glutes. As we finish, please set up the hands on ground and with a deep breath, please come back into cat. As you come back into cat, practice the contra pose as well, which is the in which you join the legs together. Balasana, you press the buttocks down and you fix the forehead on the ground. Then stay there for 5 to 10 seconds. So this is the practice of Shalbhasana or Locust pose, to be very safe, to extend your body, to open the chest, to make spine more flexible. The benefits of Shalbhasana: this is a wonderful posture to fix lower back problems, to fix the problem of slip disc disorder, to fix L4, L5, to place them in their proper axis. This is also very effective to open the heavy, the hard buttocks, the hard hip joints. Now few limitations for Shalbhasana. The people who are suffering with severe sleep disc, it is good to control, but if this sleep disorder is too much, the pain is too much, so you need to be very careful. You need to find out your maximum, and when you find out, the practice will be proper, the posture will be good. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please subscribe our channel and please like the video.